Hey guys, what's going on? It's Riley here with Canadian Dividend Investing, and welcome to episode 40 of my Wealthsimple Trade Challenge, where I try to grow my portfolio to $25,000 in the first 2 years of investing. And as you can see, the portfolio is up to $15,431. So a big increase from the last 2 weeks because the markets have been so up. And I'll show you guys the charts moving forward. Again, today we're down about $41, which is totally fine. I'm totally down with the stocks being down a little bit after the week and month that we've had. So in the past week, we're still up $353. The past month, we're actually up $1,000 or 6.95%. Past 3 months, about 4%. In the past year, we're actually in the green now again, so we're up 1.25%. And then all time, we're up $827 or 5.67% all time, which is actually incredible, the rebound that stocks have had. Today, again, we just deposited about $400 into our account, and we are going to invest in two companies that I'm heavy reliant on, two ETFs, one being VDY, which is one of my main holdings. I try to hold between 20% and 25% of my total portfolio in VDY, as well as VFV. So we're going to take half of the $400 and invest in VDY today. Again, a very good high yield ETF, holding a lot of great Canadian companies. And I think we might be able to get away with 5 shares actually. So let's try 5 shares of VDY. Perfect. And then we're going to invest in 2 shares if we can of VFV. We might be a little bit short to buy 2 shares with VFV after purchasing the VDY. Yeah, it looks like we're going to be a little bit short to buy 2 shares. So let's just buy 1 for now. When the other one goes through, I'll probably have a little bit more cash and invest into that second share. So just 1 share of VFV for today. And then as the other one goes through, we can probably invest another share into VFV. Okay, awesome. So again, update the portfolio, $15,417. Again, some great gains overall. Again, thank you guys for watching another episode. If you haven't already, click the subscribe button, leave a comment. If you haven't subscribed to Wealthsimple Trade or Shakepay, the links are in the description. You'll get a little referral bonus, and I will too. Anyways, I'll see you guys in about 2 weeks for another update. We'll see how the stock market's doing at that point. Again, if it's down, we're going to keep buying. If it's up, we're going to keep buying. Dollar cost averaging moving forward. Portfolio is looking great moving forward. Have a great day, guys. Bye.